Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be telling you guys about evergreen content. What is considered evergreen content, okay, and how to grow on YouTube. Now, YouTube is a search engine, okay, just as Google is a search engine. All right, people go on YouTube to search for things as to how to do something. Like for example, tonight it is snowing heavily here in Canada. All right. I'm going to get up in the morning to go to work. Now, I ordered a shovel on Amazon, but I did not put it together. So at the moment, I am going to show you guys how to put this shovel together. And the reason I'm going to put this shovel together tonight is because I'm going to work in the morning. I'm getting up 5 o'clock in the morning to go to work, and I don't know what outside is going to be like. All right. So I'm going to show you guys how to put a shovel together. Okay, now this is considered evergreen content because there might be another female out there who don't know how to put this shovel together. Now, I haven't done it before. This is my first time, but we're going to do this together. Okay, come with me. So there we go, we have, okay, then we've got the handles here, so we need to work out how we're going to put these together. And we've actually got 4 pieces, okay, and hopefully there's instructions in the box to show me what to do, but there we go. So basically you clip these two together, and that's clipped in, okay, and then I believe, I don't know, it's like this. Yep, that's all clipped in. All right, and then I believe this is supposed to go in here, and again you screw that on. Okay, and here we got our handle for our shovel. There we go, handle. That's our handle for our shovel. Okay, and then we have got the shovel itself. Now this is the bit that is going to be tricky for me because I don't know exactly how this is going to fit into here. I don't know. But please don't, oh, it's very simple, guys. It is very simple. Simple, simple, simple like this. Woo! And we have our shovel all ready for in the morning in case I get up in the morning and my doorway is blocked. I've got my shovel. We're ready. Guys, so that is what is considered evergreen content. Okay, now evergreen content, YouTube pushes out evergreen content, and it's not just that YouTube pushes out evergreen content, it's that people are always searching on YouTube for content as to how to do something. So in that sense, so let's say you want to do something and you don't know how to do it, you would simply go on YouTube and you would be searching as to how to do this. Maybe Like for example, this shovel. You might have gone on YouTube and search how to put this shovel together step by step, right? So you will have come across this video as to how to put this shovel together, right? So so that's a good way to grow on YouTube, and that is what is considered evergreen content. How to do something. Okay, another thing I would say is that now I have started my YouTube channel back in 2022. Okay, so it's going on 3 years plus now since I've started my YouTube channel. Okay, now as I said in previous video, I have not been consistent on YouTube, okay, since I have started. All right, I believe if I was consistent, I would have been generating funds at the moment. Or I shouldn't say generating funds, because I am generating funds. I'm just not generating enough for YouTube to actually pay it out to me, but I am generating funds. Okay, so I would have been generating enough for YouTube to give me a paycheck, basically. All right, so consistency is key. All right, slow growth is good as well for YouTube. And when I sit down and I reflect on it and realize slow growth is good, because with slow growth you get subscribers that, you know, over the time they watch your video and they gravitate to you over a period of time, and then they decide, okay, I'm going to subscribe to this person, rather than you have one video that just goes viral, it just blows up, and then you get a lot of subscribers in one go, and then you may put out something else and they may not like it, which may cause a decline in your views. Whereas if you have slow progress or slow growth, you know, but constant slow growth on YouTube, your channel may sustain longer. And the reason for that is because you have actually developed a community for yourself. You have built that community. People has take time and grow with you and grow over time, and have grown to know you. So to know you, and when I say grow to know you, I don't mean know you personally or know you physically, but they've grown to know what to expect from you. So in that sense, you would find they would keep coming back to your channel to see, you know, what you've got there. Or if you've posted a video, they will more feel inclined to look at what you're posting, because they know what to expect from you, right? And that's what I believe. It's good to have slow growth and slow progress on YouTube, but at the same time it's important to post consistently so that you don't let down your audience. You give them content what they want to see, something that they can learn from, and they could also refer you to other people. In that way you gain a good community and for yourself. So yes, as we're saying, at the moment YouTube is in easy mode and people are getting monetized in a very short period of time, which is really good. I think it's very beneficial for a lot of people at the moment, because there's a lot of people that is out of job at the moment and cannot get job. So having YouTube as a platform where you could actually do something and create content and get an income from it, it's a very good thing. So I've just gotten in from work. I'm really tired, and I'm actually on another 12-hour shift tomorrow. However, I will be looking forward to putting out another video for you guys tomorrow when I get in from work. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my videos. I will appreciate that. Thank you.